At Newydd, we are committed to addressing the climate change emergency and supporting the Welsh Government's goal of achieving net zero. We are delivering the Optimeiddio retrofit programme to help reduce carbon emissions and make our homes more energy efficient.
So I have solar panels, I had a new boiler, I had a new generator. It was explained to me really thoroughly exactly what was going to happen and how I would benefit. It was just very quick, very easy, and they were professional. I've had it now since, I think, November, and I've not had a moment's problem, which the old system I did.
So the main benefits are improving the energy efficiency of their homes. The dream is it can save money in the long run, the short term and the long run, but it is really getting the homes more energy efficient.
It's perfect for me and my values. I'm passionate about renewable energy. I'm passionate about changing the world. I just want my grandchildren, living in a better, more sustainable world.
We're making their homes warmer in the colder months and cooler in the warmer months, reducing carbon emissions and helping the Welsh Government achieving their aim of net zero. Generally, we've had some positive feedback. The tenants have really engaged with the new technologies. They've been explained to them. The operatives have worked really well, and a lot of our tenants are actually saving money. It is down to personal usage. However, they're seeing such benefits from these home improvements.
I don't have any problems with it at all, so it's a no-brainer. I would say to anyone who is struggling that it will make such a difference to every aspect of your living conditions. Yeah, go for it.